Hi, I'm Ron Seelander. I'm the Director of Engineering at eSwitch, and welcome to eBits. Today I'd like to introduce to you our TL6170 series. The TL6170 is a 6.3mm square surface mount tact switch with gull wing termination and is packaged in a tape and reel form. It has an IP67 rating for dust and moisture protection and has the standard single pole, single throw, momentary tact switch circuit function. This series is available in two different actuation forces, one at 180 grams and the other at 250 grams. The life cycle rating for both is at 300,000 cycles. There are two different actuator height options. One measures 7.2 millimeters high from the top surface of the printed circuit board, and the other measures 7.7 millimeters from that same top surface. This product also has an industrial operating and storage temperature range of -40 degrees C to a +85 degrees C. For more information on our TL6170 series or any of our other eSwitch products, please refer to our website e-switch.com, and thanks for watching.